Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. I've got myself some Royal Enfield hand guards. I got the little RE right down there by my thumb. And ordered them off eBay. They're from Royal Enfield. I know that's for sure because, you know, it says genuine Royal Enfield on the box. But they look good. Plastic shell, little metal bar. I think the idea is that they fit on like this, which means they'll clear my windshield. I don't have to worry about the windshield. And so the box contained the two guards, these two bolts with this Indian Loctite on there. I've heard about that. And then these spacers that are supposed to replace the original spacers. Looks like they're a little long. No, they're the same length. They look different though. Now, am I going to use these versus the these? I think I'm going to use these because if I'm going to lose, since they look different, if I'm going to lose a pair, I'd rather lose the aftermarket ones versus the factory product. But anyway, I'm going to put those on and see what we got. Okay, the only tool you need is a 6mm Allen wrench. Bust right loose. It's a pretty long bolt. That's going to be important here in a second. All right, got that off. This is a very heavy weighted end. The other item that they sent is pretty lightweight. I don't know what the big difference is, but I'm going to go ahead and use the factory product because, like I said, if I'm going to lose one of these, I'd rather lose the aftermarket versus the factory. I'm going to use the original bolts that came with the bike because they're dark colored, and the new ones are chrome. I know these are slightly shorter, but I don't care. If I have a problem with that later, I can always switch back. Okay, let's get you going here, buddy. Pretty darn simple install. Let's see if everything's right. Okay, I'm just going to put these so they're about level looking. A little higher. A friend of mine has these on his. He says to run them a little high, but I'm going to run them a little level, just right at about level. And this afternoon when I go riding, okay, they're installed. I'm going to take this little 6mm with me, and if I need to make any adjustments, I will. So there's what it looks like. Pretty neat. Now, this is all metal. You can remove the plastic if you want. I don't know why you'd want to, but my goal with these is wind protection and rain protection. When I went riding the other day, my hands get wet in the rain. And when it's cooler out, that's what they look like on the inside. There's the ends. Like I said, I use the bike, the screws that came with the bike. The ones that they sent are a shiny screw. I suppose that wouldn't look bad either, but I'm going to keep these, and if I have any trouble, because these are shorter, slightly shorter, if I have any trouble, I'll switch it. There's the RE symbol right there. Right there, and like I said, I know they're genuine because, the box says genuine Royal Enfield, so got them from India. Anyway, there they are. Y'all get out there and ride. Life's too short not to. Wahoo!